So look in there. You can check out that back wheel. Almost dirtier than the front. So great. Look at that barrel. I can tell you that it smells. Okay, much less of our purple reaction on the McKee side. Let's do that inner.
In this video, we're testing 6 of the best wheel cleaners on the market that has that color changing technology that turns purple, that are safe for your wheels, and that you can use your pressure washer and do a touchless wheel cleaners. So I'm really excited to bring you the best wheel cleaners video on the channel. And first, we've got from the UK, Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel. Next up, we've got Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner from Germany. We've got McKee's Foaming Gel Wheel Cleaner from the US, McKee's 37. And then another product from the US, Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner. From Germany again, Sonax Beast. This was highly requested by many of my regular viewers. And lastly, from Australia, NV Car Care Purge. This one really surprised me in the last episode, so you can go check it out. So guys, as you can tell, I'm really excited to bring you this best wheel cleaner showdown. These products provide really great visuals when it comes to color changing technology. We're not gonna touch the wheel. If we introduce brush or agitation, we're gonna mess up the results. All right, so I'm gonna talk a little bit more about these products during this video. So I hope you're ready. Let's jump right into it.
All right, guys, so here is the Porsche Macan. Check out those wheels. So on this side, we're gonna have the Koch Chemie versus Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel. This has been requested, so you can see all that heavy brake dust. The caliper is not even black, it's brake dust color now. We're gonna have 2 other products here. Griot's Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner versus Sonax Beast. Same story here. You can see in there, in that recess, really heavy accumulation of brake dust that is caked there. You can check out that back wheel. Almost dirtier than the front. Okay, we're rolling. So as per usual, I'll use my cover here. And yeah, so we'll start with a few sprays on each side. Use the cover and use the champ first and get all the sides, all the nooks and crannies. Make sure we get the front of the spokes and the rear. So that seems to be pretty good. I have shook and got the bottle ready beforehand. So this match has been requested quite a bit. We have many Koch Chemie fans and many Bilt Hamber fans. Koch Chemie, by experience, I can tell you that it smells really bad. There's a fragrance in there that they use, which I really don't like. But yeah, just the scent alone, I would give it 100% to Bilt Hamber. But both products are thick, gel-like. You can see the Bilt Hamber reaction is much faster, but with what we've seen before with my previous tests, it doesn't always translate in better cleaning, but it's still very impressive and fun to look at. So I'm gonna give this the most dwell time I can before it dries, and after this, we're gonna test with the Scott towel. Okay, look in there, that's really gross. Both sides have a really nice working effect, that purple reaction. Where I'm really curious, it's gonna be here in that recess. This is where most of the brake dust is baked in and accumulated. Gonna use my AR 630 pressure washer with my 25-degree nozzle right here and give this a good rinse in all the nooks and crannies, pretty up close, and I'll do both sides.
Guys, all 6 products were provided by my #1 supporter, which is carzilla.ca. So I'll have the link down below. I have a discount code for you, code Dogma, which saves you some money at checkout. With that said, let's jump right back into the video.
Wow, pretty impressive. At first glance, they look pretty even. I can see some dirt here, or is it... Yes, this is some still remaining embedded dirt on that side. On the Bilt Hamber, nothing pretty much. Here is a scuff, maybe a little bit of dirt there. So I'm gonna take my Scott towel, split it in half, fold it, and we're gonna start with the front of the spoke. So apparently the front of the spoke is dirtier than the back. So front and back here, and front and back for Koch Chemie. Looks pretty similar. These wheels look pretty clean, but we still have some remaining crap there. And then fold it again. And I do the front spokes here. Some. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty close. There seems to be pretty even. They both did a really great job. These wheels were really bad as they can get. It's pretty hard to pick a winner here. I'd say they're pretty much both equal. Okay, that's the rear wheel. That's really bad. I decided to go on with the McKee 37 for that rear wheel against Koch Chemie. So McKee's is a gel-like, just like they mentioned in the description. This one is one of the most expensive one, at least on carzilla.ca. With the Koch Chemie is also one of the most expensive. Keep in mind, McKee's, you get 26 ounces. Okay, much less of our purple reaction on the McKee side, but you can see that brake dust getting dragged down. Much different chemistry or something like that. And the Koch Chemie side looks good.
When I chose to order McKee's 37 foaming gel wheel cleaner, I got misled by the description. So in their description, they mentioned color changing technology, but after investigating this product, I found out the SDS, and I found out this was actually an acidic product. We're not gonna have a purple reaction, we're gonna have an acidic reaction. So more on that later, but take a look for yourself.
All right, like I said, I really don't like the Koch Chemie sand, but it's a great product, great cleaner. And look at that McKee's. Also a really nice dwell time, super thick, has a much different reaction. I don't see purple at all. It's yellowish. Is it more of an acid type of product? I'm not sure. But same procedure, 2 to 3 minutes, dwell time, and rinse off with your pressure washer.
By the way, if you're curious about what I'm up to on a day-to-day basis, go on Instagram, follow me at Detailing Dogma. This is where I post my short stuff, my short content that won't make into a full-length episode. So with that being said, let's jump right back into the video.
Okay, if you look up close, it's super clean lip here, step lip. All the wheel is looking good on both sides. I don't see much of a visual difference. Let's try that inner spoke here. Got that for McKee's. Koch Chemie. Fold it. Front and back for McKee's. Front and back for Koch. Yeah, pretty comparable, pretty similar. I guess go with the one you prefer, the brand you prefer, the price that fits your budget. Okay, Sonax Beast versus Griot's heavy duty cleaner. Great smell for Sonax. Great foaming action. Great gel as well. A Griot. Oh, that's foam as well.
Keep in mind the Griot's product is only 35% of the active ingredients that makes the brake dust turning purple, which is called sodium thioglycolate.
Doesn't smell bad either. Yeah, user experience for both is great. Good scent, good foaming action. You can tell that quick reaction on the Sonax side, purple reaction. Yep. So on the Griot sides, not much of a purple reaction. And Sonax looks pretty awesome. Good sprayer for both. I like the Griot as well. A little bit big for bigger hands, but it has the swivel motion. So both products are effective. It's a cool day today, but sunny, and both products are doing a good job of not drying out too quickly.
At the top of my priorities is to bring you guys the best detailing content, the best videos on YouTube when it comes to car detailing. What I ask in return is you guys to click on the subscribe button. At least 70% of my viewers are not even subscribed. So please show me your support, click on the subscribe button, and let's jump right back into the video.
Okay, so we have a winner with visual confirmation, visual result. The Griot's fans are not going to be happy with me again, but you can tell lots of brake dust remaining in the nooks and crannies here. I don't even have to use a Scott towel to find nuances here. And on the Sonax side, looks pretty good. Super happy with it. Here's for the Griot on the edge of that spoke. Maybe a safer cleaner, but I don't know. And the Sonax. Sonax much better than Griot's, that's for sure. And just to validate that, we're gonna reapply Sonax on the Griot side. Now we have reapplied our Sonax. Look at that purple reaction at the top where the Griot's left brake dust. Pretty obvious. Not much, but still. And on that previous Sonax side, no purple reaction, meaning that the brake dust has been removed. On this side, I'm introducing NV Purge against one of my new favorite, Sonax Beast. It's a 26 ounce. Oh no, never mind, it's a 1000 milliliter, so it's a 1 liter bottle. Brake dust here is really caked up, really bad. All the way around. All right, so it's been around a minute. Great reaction on the Sonax Beast. Very impressive. All the way up. Pretty insane. That wheel was worse than the others, it seems. And here that's NV. Looking good as usual. Has a nastier scent, but we've seen it working before. It's quite powerful. Look at that barrel. That's insane on both sides. I feel like Sonax is going to be a great contender to put against Bilt Hamber on our next video. I really liked that McKee 37 as well. Koch Chemie is also a great one for sure. Make sure to let me know which one you'd like to see in another comparison, and make sure to let me know if you'd like to see acid versus one of these as well. But the problem with acid is it doesn't have a great dwell time. Sonax, 2 front spokes. Purge, 2 front spokes. Pretty close. Let's do that inner and front and back here. Oh. Our Sonax seems to be maybe a little better.
It seems like we have found 5 really high-end wheel cleaners. One thing that surprised me is that Griot's garage wheel cleaner did not perform in a touchless manner as much as I was expecting to. It was not on the same level as the other ones. And also, fun fact that McKee 37s turned out to be an acidic product, pH 2 to 3. So it seems like it's working really well in any case. Is it as safe as the others? Well, McKee 37 is claiming this product to be as safe. So I was really impressed. Again, we already know NV Purge and Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel, but Sonax Beast and Magic Wheel Cleaner, all great options. So they're really hard to differentiate. And now if you have any problem with your paint or in your car detailing game, watch this video right here.